How to get lean. Think lean. Lean is not an acronym. It means to do more with less waste. It's waste elimination. How lean transformed. Craft manufacturing. Mass manufacturing. Lean manufacturing. Craft manufacturing. Late 1800s. Car built on blocks in the barn as workers walked around the car. Built by craftsmen with pride. Components handcrafted, hand-fitted. Excellent quality. Very expensive. Few produced. Mass manufacturing. Assembly line. Henry Ford, 1920s. Low-skilled labor, simplistic jobs, no pride in work. Interchangeable parts. Lower quality. Affordably priced for the average family. Billions produced, identical. Lean manufacturing. Cells or flexible assembly lines. Broader jobs, highly skilled workers, proud of product. Interchangeable parts, even more variety. Excellent quality mandatory. Costs being decreased through process improvements. Global markets and competition. New paradigm, non-blaming culture. Management creates a culture where problems are recognized as opportunities. It's okay to make legitimate mistakes. Problems are exposed because of increased trust. People are not problems, they're problem solvers. Emphasis is placed on finding solutions instead of who did it. Lean is a philosophy. It is long-term thinking. How you think will determine how you will act. Understanding the core philosophies and concepts of the Toyota way is critical. Surfacing problems in the short term for long-term growth and strength. Continuous improvement. Good thinking, good products. Every day, little up. Lean is a process. It is eliminate waste. Basic philosophy. Eliminate waste. What is the potential benefit from eliminating waste? Most organizations have over 99% non-value-added activities, less than 1% value. An improvement from 1% to 2% value-added activity will produce 100% gains. Lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a manufacturing philosophy which shortens the timeline between the customer order and the product shipment by eliminating waste. Business as usual. Customer provide their requirement. Organization manufacturing and deliver product. Customer order receiving point to product shipment. It will take considerable time. It is lead time. Usual business organizations it will take long lead time. Why is it? With the non-value adding activities in the process, time is increasing. That non-value adding time we called waste. What lean manufacturing organizations are doing? They identifying the which type of waste create the long lead time and make actions to eliminate those wastes systematically. Result is getting lead time short. That is the main concept of lean. Lean is not a destination. It's a journey. Operational Excellence Institute of Sri Lanka. Leader in operational excellence. Think lean and be excellence. Mission of this YouTube channel is world make excellence by contributing right knowledge and experience to the people who wish to change the world by being excellence. And you can like and follow our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn pages. Let's meet from the new episode soon.